Now it's changed. All teams are not ready to give their players. And sometimes they put the player under pressure. And they tell him, okay, you can go to the CAN, but I have to put another player, and maybe when you come back, the other player will play. Or a player is in a bad situation, end of contract, for example. So when he has to go to the CAN, 1 month maybe is not in the club, in the team. There can be another player who plays when he come back, and then you have to discuss your contract. So I think more and more we have to think about to change the period when you play the CAN. Because this is not coming on the right moment. And certainly now with a transfer period in Europe, so nobody likes to go. And certainly the teams are not so happy that those players are going to the African Cup.